Now, this one might be a little scarier to somebody. We're given the graph. Or to a few people it might be a little scarier. We're given the graph, and we have to figure out things by looking at which function we're looking at here. So, anyways, it says f of x equals a sine px. We don't know what a is. We don't know what p is. And g of x is just a sine graph, 2 sine x. Well, there's g. There's g. Let's just look at it a little bit. Well, there's g. It's got a 2 there, but hey, look, that's how tall it is. That's the amplitude, an amplitude of 2. Well, what about this graph f? What's the amplitude of that? Well, it looks like it's going up to 3, down to 3, back to 0, up to 3. That a is equal to 3 because that's how tall the wave is. Hey, that wasn't so hard. A is 3 units. Now this graph of f, it's going up, down, and going through a complete wave in 180 degrees. Well, normally sine is 360 degrees. In fact, here's a normal sine wave going through its normal period of 360 degrees. But if you take 360 degrees, if you divide it by 2, that's what has changed the period into 180. So p must be 2 because that's half of the period. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to take the regular period of 360 and divide by whatever number there is in front of x, and that gives you the new period. So p must equal 2. Now it says write down the period of f. Well, you have to know a period is the distance in degrees it takes to go through a complete wave. Well, look here. It goes from 0, up, down, back, comes back after 180 degrees. Hey, you could look at it some other place too. You could go here, down, up. It's 180 degrees between 90 and 270 to go through a complete wave. So that's why the period of f is 180 degrees. Right there, period of f. Now the next thing is, what is the range of g? Well, take a look at g. There it is. The range means all the things that y can be. Well, it can go all the way up to 2, and y can go all the way down to -2. It's always in between those two things. So the range is y is less than or equal to 2, but greater than or equal to -2. And there's all those questions figured out for 7.1.